What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a HUB pouch by Alpaka. I actually have the new version of it, the same as this one, but it actually has the loop section and Velcro on it. I thought it would be a much more fair comparison to all the other EDC pouches for when I do the big comparison of all the popular pouches out today. I thought it would be fair to get the one that actually you can put Ranger eyes on. So this is their new up-to-dated version of it. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's get this sucker open. And there you go. There's a nice big section of Velcro on there, so that's pretty cool. And I do believe that, yep, some Ranger eyes from them, so that you can actually sport their brand, obviously, so that's cool. So basically the same pouch as this one. There's no real difference. We still have the Y2K zippers, clamshell configuration. There we go. So as you can tell, still the same clamshell configuration. We still have the X4 laminate 420 denier base, so it's somewhat waterproof or water resistant, I do believe, technically speaking. And this is different on this one, is that it's actually orange, so you actually have high vis in there, where on this one that I have it's not actually high vis, so that's kind of cool. So that is a little different than the version that I have here, but so yeah, other than that, pretty much the same configuration. Still got the loop section here for all their hub accessories and so on and so forth. So other than that, but yep, same pouch. Just, right now, like I said, now we have the loop section on there. So like I said, that was a real downfall that I said about this actual pouch too. I mean, when you're going and comparing to all the other popular EDC pouches out there, and you don't have someplace for guys to put their Ranger eyes. Ranger eyes are all the thing right now in the whole community. So to not have that, that's a pretty big downfall. So I wanted to get the newer version, so when we do the showdown between them all, I actually have their fair version that actually has a loop section. So there you guys go. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you next time. Have a great day.